Alright, we are outside of the factory in Farmington, and we're going to take a look at the Thyssenkrupp elevator they have inside. Before we ride the elevator, here's a look at the main room. Over here we have a museum, different rocks and stuff. And back over here, we have the elevator. So before we look at that, that's the old elevator they used to have. And here we have the Thyssenkrupp elevator. Let's take a ride on it. It's an Isis. I'm pretty sure this call button doesn't work up here. Yep. So we don't get to ring the bell. Let's open the door so we get some more light so we can get a cab view. Notice a new thing that it does is it rings the bell again when the door closes. Oh, it didn't do that. It didn't do it that time. Again, while we're up here with the light, go ahead and take a look at the buttons. Actually, we'll go ahead and just switch the independent key on for this, so we can keep the door open. One thing about the independent service key is they actually leave it in here. Please do not block the doors with items. The system will shut down. And then it says, use the independent key. So we'll do that for a look at the buttons. And also, the only reason why I'm putting it in independent service is because there's only like 1 or 2 businesses open here, and they're not using the elevator. There it goes, and that'll be it.